Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have these corner guards and they are black and yellow, and you can see behind me I have a tractor, and a lot of times I end up having to get really close to the side of the building here. And now there's a good contrast because I have white and snow in the background, but sometimes during springtime that corner kind of blends in with the trees and everything else in the background. So something like this is definitely going to help me to get a good visual mark on this. So let me open this up, and then I'm only going to get probably about like maybe 3 feet out of here, and then I'm going to put it onto the side. But it has tape on either side, and it cuts really easy with knife or scissors. So I'm going to measure out about 3 feet. Okay, so that's about 3 feet what we're going to measure out. And then, like I said, it cuts really super easy with a knife or scissors. Get one more slice through, and I think we're good. So we'll put the excess away. And then to put this up, we just simply peel either side. And then simply work on a placement like right here. And then nice and simple, I have a corner reference point that I can see better when I am backing my tractor up. So this works great if you have like internal beams inside your building like I do as well. Or if you have like doorways that you're always bumping into with different like product or, you know, shipments they have coming through. But this is a great way to put something up that you have a clear definition of where the corner is. And the fact that it is foam, you can actually bump into it and you don't have to worry about, you know, it popping off. The tape on either side makes it nice and secure. So, yeah, there you go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and as always, be safe out there.